Hello guys, when you hear this, you're gonna be so sad. And like as you know, I'm in India and my dad's home. I found a dead bird. I'll show you. Here. This is our dead bird. So the story was, actually when I was coming out of the washroom, a bird was just like at my feet. And it happened so that the bird is a baby who was going all the way. And then she accidentally got into the fan and then fell at my feet. So I just wanted to make a video with you guys because I thought it was so awesome. And a little sad too. So I like it. So this dead bird should be a sparrow. Its feathers are green. And it's really furry. See? He's cute. Oh yeah, cutie bird. I think she was just learning how to fly. And then she accidentally came on the fan. Look at this bird. Look at it. She broke her neck bones and almost died. So when my mom and dad are going to come back from a doctor's appointment, we're going to take this little cute bird to the vet. So, bye.